ready to get your stocking? Are you ready to get your stocking? Okay, Daddy. Show us her stocking. Oh, how pretty. Okay.
What do we got here? Oh no, we got some new looks.
Yay!
Look at that. Yeah. Uh-huh. Just for you. Can't have this until you're 6 months.
She can have them now. She's all mixed.
Yeah, look more.
Yay!
Yeah.
All right. Those are good stocking stuffers.
Good.
Yeah, thanks, Daddy. Oh, you don't want to cut her mouth on that thing. Okay. Yay.